and alcohol make the flames reach higher. I regret and I confess I love that burning in my chest. The fog that's falling down, pretending that I'm